Very good morning, dear students. Welcome to the class. Today we are going to continue our same topic, same prose, an extract taken from the autobiography Long Walk to Freedom by Nelson Mandela. There, in our last one class, we have seen we have already begun the speech delivered by Nelson Mandela in his address or on that occasion in that inauguration ceremony. There we have seen that what is human disaster that he mentioned there. Human disaster, as we have dealt, there he referred this phrase human disaster to the oppression of blacks, the racial discrimination of the blacks by the whites for more than 3 centuries. 300 सालों से भी ज़्यादा सालों तक वो जो वहाँ ब्लैक लोगों पर जो अत्याचार हुआ है, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन जो हुआ है, that is mentioned by the whites. It is mentioned here as human disaster. So look there what is said in his speech. Out of the experience means the experience of the blacks, which was of more than 3 centuries. An extraordinary human disaster. An extraordinary. Look at there. He mentioned there another adjective. Extraordinary. It was not ordinary because the oppression, the discrimination was to the extent. It was to the extent. It was unbearable. Yes, the whites might have considered the blacks as or they treated them as animals. And that's why here Nelson Mandela mentioned that discrimination, that oppression as an extraordinary human disaster. Look at the disaster that is it is related to calamity, natural calamity, but here that discrimination he referred as an extraordinary human disaster because it was unbearable. They treated them, the whites treated the blacks as animals, and that's why here he mentioned this and said out of this experience, ये जो भी experience आया इस operation से, discrimination से, that lasted too long, as we have seen already in that news item, more than 3 centuries. So the experience they had got for more than 3 centuries must be born a society, and that means here out of the experience, ये जो experience मिला है जो 300 सालों से ज़्यादा सालों तक जो चला है उसका, and out of that experience must be born a society of which all humanity will be proud. And out of this experience, और इससे बोलते हैं ना, जब तक करती नहीं, जब तक ठोस लगती नहीं, ठोकर लगती नहीं, तब तक हमें कुछ समझता नहीं. तो ऐसी बात है, जो भी ठोकर मिले उनको, जो भी एक्सपीरियंस आया है फॉर मोर देन 3 centuries, आउट ऑफ दिस एक्सपीरियंस मस्ट बी बॉर्न अ सोसाइटी. एक ऐसी सोसाइटी का निर्माण होना चाहिए ऑफ विच ऑल ह्यूमैनिटी विल बी प्राउड, कि जिसका सारी इंसानियत को, ह्यूमैनिटी इंसानियत को क्या होना चाहिए, गर्व होना चाहिए. ऐसी सोसाइटी हमें निर्माण करनी है. मस्ट बी बोर्न अ सोसाइटी, एक ऐसी सोसाइटी निर्माण करना है कि ऑफ विच एवरीवन विल बी प्राउड, जिसका हर किसी को क्या हो, गर्व महसूस हो. देन हियर ही सेज वी. लुक एट दैट अगेन, हियर ही मेंशन्ड means he did not say I or they or whatever. Here he said we who were outlaws. Here he mentioned that we word addressing the outlaws, that means daridra, the blacks. Here that outlaws, this word is referred to the blacks. जैसे इंडिया में भी स्वतंत्र के पहले या फिर बी आर अम्बेडकर जी के चरवड़ के पहले जो शूद्र है उनको आउटलॉज माना जाता था। वो तो थैंक है बी आर अम्बेडकर जी का, जिन्होंने दे ब्रिंग देम बैक टू द मेन स्ट्रीम एंड नाउ नो वन कैन बी कॉल्ड आउटलॉज। किसी को भी हम आउटलॉ नहीं कह सकते हैं, इट इज क्राइम। So same there in South Africa, the blacks were outlaws. The blacks were outlaws. कोई अधिकार नहीं, कोई उन्हें अथॉरिटी नहीं, किसी भी प्रकार का उन्हें स्वातंत्र्य नहीं था। The whites. So they were called outlaws there in South Africa. The blacks. Okay, simply you can say outlaws. This word or this concept is referred to the blacks. ब्लैक्स को ये रेफर किया गया है, ये कंसेप्ट आउटलॉज। इट इज रेफर्ड टू द ब्लैक्स ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका। Got it? To write, mention it. Okay, then here he says outlaws not so long ago. We who were outlaws not so long ago. Why had he said not so long ago? मतलब हम लोग जो ब्लैक्स है वो कुछ दिनों पहले not so long, कुछ ज़्यादा दिन नहीं हुए हैं, just few days before we were outlaws. Means there he is talking about the date of result of that election, where he won or his party won by 252 members. Means here his party got majority by winning 252 seats in the election of 1994. Before that, before the declaration of the result, the blacks were outlaws. And that's why here he said not so long ago, ज़्यादा दिन नहीं हुए हैं, when we were called outlaws, कि जिस समय हमें outlaws कहा जाता था, हम outlaws थे. So that's why here he says we, the outlaws, have today been given the rare privilege to be host to the nations of the world on our own soil. And look at the word there it says privilege. सौभाग्य, ये हमारा सौभाग्य है. सो प्रिविलेज मीन्स सौभाग्य, फॉर्च्यून, ये हमारा फॉर्च्यून है, लॉट है, सौभाग्य है, हमारे लिए खुशी की बात है. दैट वी हैव टुडे बीन गिवन मीन्स वी द blacks have been given the rare privilege. Look at that, there he mentioned rare. ऐसे देखो भारी शब्द उन्होंने यूज किया है. रेयर जो कभी कभार होता है, बार बार नहीं होता या हर समय नहीं होता. रेयर, we got that rare privilege. We have been given the rare privilege. ये रेयर प्रिविलेज हमको दिया गया. यस, जो कभी कभार ही मिलता है. सो वी गॉट दिस रेयर प्रिविलेज टू बी होस्ट बनने का, ऑर्गेनाइजर बनने का. होस्ट मतलब जो ऑर्गेनाइज करते हैं, मेहमानों को बुलाते हैं. यस, मेजबान. सो हियर वी गॉट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. वी आर फॉर्च्यून. We are really we have been given this rare opportunity to be the host. The host बनने का to the nations of the world. Why did he say the nations of the world? Because the people, dignitaries and politicians from more than 140 countries were present there. The international leaders were there in that ceremony. And here the hosts are the blacks. Hosts were the blacks on that day, and that's why here he says it is a golden opportunity for them, for the blacks, to be the host to the dignitaries and the politicians, the international leaders who are here as the guest. तो जो गेस्ट बन के सारे लीडर्स आए उनको होस्ट करने का जो हमें सौभाग्य मिला, रियली इट इज अ रेयर प्रिविलेज फॉर अस एंड वी आर होस्टिंग देम ऑन आवर ओन सॉइल, हमारी खुद की सरजमी पर, फॉर ऑन आवर ओन सॉइल वी आर होस्टिंग देम, आज हम उन्हें होस्ट कर रहे हैं on our own soil and it is really a rare privilege, okay. Then here it says, we thank all of our distinguished international guests for having come to take possession with the people of our country of what is after all a common victory for justice, for peace, for human dignity. And look at there, that question is asked in examination, पूछा भी गया इसके पहले कि why did Nelson Mandela thank the international leaders, international guests? Why? Because look at it is given there, because the international leaders witnessed that inauguration ceremony, they were present on that occasion, on that ceremony, and that's why to be the witness, or as for witnessing, or he thanked the international leaders for witnessing or for attending or for being present there on that inauguration ceremony. He thanked them. And look at here, what did he say? We thank all of our distinguished international leaders. डिस्टिंग्विश मतलब जिन्हें हम, जो बाकी सबसे अलग होते हैं, कुछ उच्च पद के जो होते हैं, उन्हें हम डिस्टिंग्विश्ड कहते हैं. सो हियर डिस्टिंग्विश्ड इंटरनेशनल लीडर्स फॉर हैविंग कम टू टेक पोजीशन, एंड हियर ही थैंक देम फॉर हैविंग कम मीन्स सिंपली वी कैन से अटेंडिंग, विटनेसिंग, okay, or having come to take a position with the people of our country. To take position means sitting over there. Yes, वहाँ बैठने के लिए, हमारे लोगों के, हमारे कंट्री के लोगों के साथ बैठने के लिए मैं आप सबका शुक्रगुजार हूँ कि तुम लोग आए और यहाँ हमारे साथ बैठे हो. And the people or of our country of what is a common victory after all. और after all ये कहना चाहते हैं, the victory of blacks over whites is not a victory of blacks over whites, but it is a victory of justice, victory for peace, victory for human dignity. And the victory that you are witnessing today, you have come to attend the inauguration ceremony. It is a mark of victory. The inauguration ceremony is a mark of victory. ये जो inauguration ceremony है, ये क्या है? एक मार्क है, मार्क ऑफ, एक साइन है, एक मार्क है किसी का? द विक्ट्री. बट नॉट ऑफ वाइट्स, ब्लैक्स ओवर वाइट्स. ब्लैक का वाइट के ऊपर का विक्ट्री का साइन नहीं है, ये मार्क नहीं है, बट इट इज द विक्ट्री फॉर जस्टिस, जस्टिस के लिए, न्याय. दिस victory is for justice, victory is for peace, victory is for human dignity. ह्यूमन डिग्निटी के लिए, ह्यूमन का जो आत्मसम्मान होता है, डिग्निटी होती है, उस डिग्निटी का विजय है, विक्ट्री है. मीन्स देयर ही डिड नॉट से दैट द विक्ट्री द blacks got on that day is of them, but there he said this victory was of peace, it was of justice, as well as he said it was of human dignity. So that shows the generous character of Nelson Mandela. Got it? Understood? Then look at what is said later on. We have at last achieved our political emancipation. Emancipation. Look at the meaning of that word is already given there. Emancipation means freedom from restriction. And as you know that, as we have seen already, for more than 3 centuries, there was rule of whites on the blacks. But on that day, that 10th May 1994, as the mark of independence, as it was, he mentioned a lovely autumn day, bright and clear. It shows or it clears that day was the day of political emancipation. Again we have seen apartheid system was there. Yes, apartheid system, political system, and that's why here he mentioned it was emancipation, but what was of? It was of political emancipation. Political. Why? Because there the blacks were not having any right, they were not having any authority, and that's why here he called it political emancipation. Yes, so there he says, at last, after long struggle, at last we have achieved our political emancipation. हमें आखिरकार एक political emancipation मिला है, political स्वातंत्र्य मिला है. Then we place ourselves to liberate all our people. We all countrymen of South Africa place, कसम खाते हैं, ourselves, हम खुद से ही, to liberate all our people, to free, to make them free, or to free them from all restrictions, whatever restrictions they are having, किसी प्रकार का restriction या अत्याचार उन पे होता होगा, we place to free them from the continuing bondage of poverty. अब उनको फ्री किससे करना है? लिबरेट किससे करना है? किससे? from the bondage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender and other discrimination. Whatever the discrimination are, whatever kind of discrimination are there, gender discrimination, racial discrimination, whatever kind of discrimination was there, they means Nelson Mandela and his people, the countrymen pledged to free all the people from the continuing bondage. Continuing. Why is it continuing? Because it was continue for more than 3 centuries. 300 सालों से भी ज़्यादा सालों के लिए कंटिन्यू था. And that's why there he said continuing bondage, restriction of poverty, गरीबी, deprivation, that means state of not having one's rightful benefits, किसी भी प्रकार का राइट्स ना होना. deprivation मतलब किसी भी चीज़ों से वंचित रहना. yes, and then suffering, जो भी उन पे सफ़र हो रहे थे वो. yes, because of the discrimination, and again gender discrimination and other discriminations, whatever there, we place to make them free from all these bondages. Okay, so this is what here he said. The remaining part we will do in our next video lecture. Bye bye, see you soon. Keep watching my videos and enjoy.